Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is our first lesson in this course, Moroccan Arabic step by step. And let's start with our first word in this course. Ana, I or me. And in general is used as I am because we don't use the verb to be in Moroccan Arabic. So Farhan is happy. All right, how would you say I am happy? أنا فرحان. أنا فرحان. Wish. It is a yes no question where like when you're asking are you fine? Are you happy? Something like that. So how would you ask am I happy? Am I happy? You just add the word wish right before I am happy أنا فرحان. So وش أنا فرحان وش أنا فرحان and with a raised intonation at the end. So وش أنا فرحان فرحانة is happy, the feminine. So how would you say I am happy as a woman? What would a woman say? أنا فرحانة. أنا فرحانة. I happy. Me happy. I'm happy. And how would you say am I happy as a woman? وش أنا فرحانة. وش أنا فرحانة. أنت you masculine. Alright, how would you say you are happy? أنت فرحان. أنت فرحان. And how would you say are you happy? وش أنت فرحان؟ وش أنت فرحان؟ وش أنت فرحان؟ وش أنت فرحان؟ أنتي you feminine. Alright, how would you say you are happy? Feminine? You feminine? Alright. أنتي فرحانة. أنتي فرحانة. O is and. How would you say and you? Masculine. أنت. Excuse me, that's أنتي. You feminine. So أنتي. أنتي. And you? So how would you say are you happy? What about you? In the sense of meaning what about you? That أنتي فرحانة. أنتي فرحانة. And are you happy? And are you happy? أنتي فرحانة. تا is also or too. So how would you say I am happy too? I'm happy too. You say تا أنا فرحانة. تا أنا فرحانة. So to is in the very beginning of the sentence. Look here. In English, you've got to at the end, like here. تا أنا فرحانة. تا أنا فرحانة. So I'm happy too. I'm also happy. How do you say, are you also happy? Are you also happy? واش حتى انت فرحان؟ واش حتى انت فرحان؟ واش حتى انت فرحان؟ Are you also happy? واش حتى انت فرحان؟ Okay, here's a mini dialogue. واش انت فرحان؟ واش انت فرحان؟ إيه. Yeah is yes or yeah, like similar to yeah. Alright, so إيه أنا فرحان. أنتي؟ حتى أنا فرحانة. أنت؟ حتى أنا فرحان. Alright, so واش أنت فرحان? Are you happy? إيه yes أنا فرحان. I am happy. أنتي and you. حتى أنا فرحانة. Too I am happy. Also I am happy. أنت and you masculine. Here is أنتي you feminine. حتى أنا فرحان. حتى أنا فرحان. I too am happy. So فرحان happy. Not happy is ما فرحانش. ما فرحانش. So we add ma at the beginning of the word and sh at the end of the word. So ما فرحانش. How do you say I'm not happy? I'm not happy. أنا ما فرحانش. أنا ما فرحانش. أنا ما فرحانش. And how would you say I'm not happy, feminine? أنا ما فرحاناش. أنا ما فرحاناش. أنا ما فرحاناش. You're not happy. You're not happy. How would you say that? أنت ما فرحانش. أنت ما فرحانش. You're not happy. How would you say are you not happy? واش أنت ما فرحانش؟ واش أنت ما فرحانش؟ علاش is why. علاش. How would you say why aren't you happy? So علاش why أنت you ما فرحانش not happy. علاش أنت ما فرحانش. Why aren't you happy? علاش أنت ما فرحانش. Okay, so how would you say and why aren't you happy either? Why aren't you happy too? وعلاش حتى أنت ما فرحانش. وعلاش حتى أنت ما فرحانش. And is oh علاش why aren't you happy. أنت ما فرحانش and حتى is either or too. وعلاش حتى أنت ما فرحانش. وعلاش حتى أنت ما فرحانش. And why aren't you happy, feminine? How do you say that? وعلاش انتي ما فرحاناش. وعلاش انتي ما فرحاناش. Alright, another mini dialogue for this lesson. واش انت فرحان؟ لا انا ما فرحانش. واش حتى انتي ما فرحاناش؟ انا فرحانة. وانت فرحان؟ ايه تا انا فرحان. Alright, so واش انت فرحان؟ Are you happy؟ لا انا ما فرحانش. واش حتى انتي ما فرحاناش؟ Oh, excuse me, so لا is no. أنا ما فرحانش. I am not happy. واش حتى انتي ما فرحاناش؟ Are you also not happy? أنا فرحانة. I am happy. وانت فرحان. And are you happy? And what about you? إيه حتى أنا فرحان. Alright, that's it for our first lesson in this course.